Today, we will talk about the energy sector and the types of companies that comprise it. The energy sector is a category of stocks that relate to producing or supplying energy. It includes companies involved in the exploration and development of oil or gas reserves, oil and gas drilling, and refining. It also includes integrated power utility companies such as renewable energy and coal. The energy sector is a large and all-encompassing term that describes a complex and interrelated network of companies, directly and indirectly, involved in the production and distribution of energy needed to power the economy and facilitate the means of production and transportation. Companies within the energy sector are involved in various types of energy, categorized based on how the energy that they produce is sourced. There are various types of companies found in the energy industry. Some of them include oil and gas drilling and production, pipeline and refining, mining companies, renewable energy, and chemicals. Each has a distinct role to play in bringing energy to businesses and consumers. Investors can have numerous choices in the energy industry, including equities of energy companies, mutual funds, and ETFs, as well as the ability to buy the commodities. Investors have the ability to invest in energy-related ETFs, which can give them exposure to the energy industry. How investors choose to invest in the energy sector will likely depend on their preferences and specific views about the growth and earnings prospects of the various companies. The energy sector plays a crucial role in the economy. Aside from powering homes, transportation, and factories, energy sources are also a component in many products used on a daily basis. The energy sector primarily consists of companies that play a role in extracting, refining, or producing sources of energy. The utility sector, on the other hand, involves companies responsible for delivering electricity, natural gas, and water to consumers. The energy sector includes corporations primarily in the business of producing or supplying energy, and has been an important driver of industrial growth, providing fuel to power the rest of the economy. Companies in the energy industry are classified based on how the energy is sourced, such as non-renewables or fossil fuels, and renewables such as solar. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. The energy sector includes corporations that primarily are in the business of producing or supplying energy such as fossil fuels or renewables. 2. The energy sector has been an important driver of industrial growth over the past century, providing fuel to power the rest of the economy. 3. Companies in the energy industry are classified based on how the energy is sourced, such as non-renewables or fossil fuels, and renewables such as solar. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.